Hey car enthusiasts, it's Amy Freena. Have you ever wondered when a car officially becomes a classic? Now, that's a hard question to answer because the age range can be from 10 to 25 years old. Insurance companies, state DMVs, and car clubs all have their own opinion on what makes a car a classic. Overall, though, when a car hits 20, it can be considered a classic. But it's not just about the age. Classic cars are often well-maintained and represent a significant era in automotive history. Some organizations may have specific criteria like being a limited production model or having historical significance, so if you're a collector, it's worth checking with them. Whether it's a vintage muscle car or a timeless convertible, owning a classic can be a badge of honor for many. And it's not just about the wheels, it's about the memories and the stories that come with those rides. Classic cars are generally considered to be those manufactured in 2000 or earlier, whereas vintage cars are manufactured between 1919 and 1930, and antique cars are manufactured in 1975 or earlier. Some examples of classic cars include the 1978 Chevy Camaro Z28, a 1963 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, and a 1987 Buick Grand National GNX. But if you feel that beauty in the driveway that you've poured your heart, soul, and plenty of cash into is a classic, then you may want to look into classic car insurance. Why? Because this isn't just any old car. This is your pride and joy. Happy trails!